Our Leatherette universal seat covers improve the look of your van interior while protecting your seats. They can revamp old and tired seats or help new ones stay looking new. They look great, protect your seats, are easy to fit, and feel like real. Step 1. Start by tilting the seat forward or lowering it to give yourself more space. Remove the headrest by pressing the release buttons on the plastic guides and pulling the headrest upwards. Step 2. Place the backrest cover over the top of the seat and pull it down evenly at the sides, front and back, like putting on a t-shirt. Step 3. Push the plastic headrest guides through the holes at the top of the cover. Step 4. Pull the cover down around the armrest and fasten the Velcro underneath. Step 5. At the bottom of the backrest, locate the foam tuck-in pouch and push it into the gap between the backrest and the seat base. Tilting the seat forward can make this easier. For a better fit, pull the material tighter from behind the seat. Step 6. Undo the Velcro and buckle straps on the base cover and align it with the seat base. Step 7. Pull the base cover over the front of the seat and wrap the skirt underneath the front corners, pulling it backwards to align it correctly. Step 8. Tuck the sides of the base cover into the gap between the seat base and the plastic trim. Repeat this on both sides of the seat base. Step 9. Push the buckle straps and material through the gap between the seat base and backrest. Once the first buckle is through, tighten it from behind. Step 10. Thread the buckles from behind under the seat and connect them to the front clips. Tighten securely. Step 11. Refit the headrest. Slide the headrest cover on like putting on a hat. The hook Velcro strap sits at the front. Step 12. Pull the armrest cover on like a sock. Opening the Velcro and turning the back corners inside out can make this easier. Slide it over the armrest, then fold the corners back and reattach the Velcro. Step 1. Remove both headrests from the double passenger seat. Step 2. Undo the zip on the backrest cover. Place the cover behind the seatbelt, fold it upside down and re-zip so the zip sits in front of the seatbelt. Step 3. Place the backrest cover over the top of the seat and pull it down evenly at the sides. Step 4. Push the headrest guides through the holes and pull the seatbelt housing through the central elastic opening. Step 5. Lift the passenger side base and move the center seatbelt out of the way. Tuck the foam pocket into the gap between the backrest and the bar under the seat. In the center, fold and tuck the material behind the seatbelt buckle. Step 6. Return the seatbelt to its normal position and fold the tray down. Behind the tray, tuck the 3 foam pockets into the gap between the material and the plastic bolster. Starting with the top corners works best. Once tucked, align the cover with the seat seams as neatly as possible. Step 7. On the driver's side near the tray, locate the long section of material. Push it over the top of the bar, pull it underneath, and wrap it around the back. Attach it to the protruding metal at the front corner of the bar. Step 8. Undo the Velcro straps and fold the tray down slightly. Slide the tray cover over the top, ensuring the hole aligns with the toggle. At the top, open the Velcro at the bottom inside edge, pull the cover down and push the flap through to the back. Secure the Velcro straps tightly across the back of the tray and attach the rear flap. Step 9. The base covers are labeled driver side and passenger side. Starting from the back, slip the cover over the seat and push the seat into the pocket. Step 10. Pull the cover over the outside corner, then the inside corner, aligning the seams. Pull the elastic loops through and attach them to the metal clips. Attach each clipped loop to a hole underneath the seat. Repeat until all straps are secured. Step 11. Refit the headrests and slide the headrest covers on like a hat. The hook Velcro tab sits at the front.